crack us open, wait and see. White egg sings, cheep, cheep, cheep. Maybe a chick is fast asleep. Black egg laughs, quack, quack, quack. A duckling friend is coming back. Brown egg stunts, boom, boom, boom. An ostrich chick will hatch real soon. Green egg hums, step by step. A baby turtle takes a breath. Pink egg giggles, roar, roar, roar. A dino friend you can't ignore. We are 5 eggs all in a row. Guess who's inside, do you know? One by one we love to sing. What surprise will hatching bring? Little white chick, happy and bright, jumping around in the morning light. Cheep, 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 come sing with me. Smiling together, 1, 2, 3. Black duckling waddles by the lake. Splishy,